Let's be honest, fellas. Your beard deserves better. It's an extension of your personality, a symbol of ruggedness and masculinity. Leaving it to its own devices can lead to a tangled mess, a breeding ground for itchiness and irritation, and ultimately, a look that's less mountain man and more cast away. Thankfully, achieving beard nirvana isn't some mythical quest. Just like your head hair, your beard thrives with a little TLC. Think of it as a miniaturized rainforest ecosystem. It needs the right balance of cleansing, nourishing, and styling to truly flourish. So, cast aside the notion that beard care is an afterthought. Embrace the power of the beard wash and conditioner, the essential tools for transforming your bristly jungle into a tamed masterpiece. Imagine a beard soft to the touch, free from flakes and tangles, radiating a healthy shine that speaks volumes about your dedication to self-care. Ready to unleash the full potential of your facial mane? Buckle up, gentlemen, because the journey to beardly bliss starts now. Hair care products aren't meant for your beards. Think about it. Hair on your head comes in various textures, thicknesses, and needs. You wouldn't slather your fine strands with the same heavy conditioner you use on your thick curls, right? So why assume your coarse, wiry beard thrives on the same products? Here's the key difference. Your beard hair grows from a different type of follicle than the hair on your head. This means it has a different structure, oil production, and growth cycle. Head hair craves cleansing and moisture, while your beard needs a delicate balance of removing dirt and grime without stripping essential oils that keep it soft and manageable. Traditional shampoos with harsh detergents and scalp-targeting ingredients can be too harsh for your beard. They can strip away natural oils, leaving your beard dry, brittle, and prone to irritation. Plus, they often don't lather well on the coarser beard hair, making them less effective at cleaning. Hair conditioners designed to detangle and smooth fine head hair can weigh down your beard, making it limp and greasy. They might not penetrate the thicker cuticles of your beard hair, leaving it feeling dry and unmanageable. That's where beard-specific products like beard wash and beard conditioner come in. These heroes are formulated with your beard's unique needs in mind. Forget the days of harsh shampoos leaving your beard dry and brittle. Beard Wash is here to be your beard's gentle hero. Unlike its head hair counterpart, Beard Wash uses surfactants that are kind to your facial hair, effectively cleansing without stripping away the natural oils that keep it soft and healthy. Think of it as a luxurious bubble bath for your beard, minus the harsh chemicals. But Beard Wash doesn't stop at just being gentle. It's packed with nourishing ingredients like jojoba oil and argan oil, known for their ability to keep your beard feeling like silk. These oils deeply penetrate the hair shaft, providing essential hydration and preventing dryness and irritation. Imagine running your fingers through a beard that's soft, manageable, and smells faintly of a Moroccan spa. That's the magic of Beard Wash. Forget the heavy, hair-weighing conditioners your head craves. Your beard, a different beast altogether, needs a lighter touch. Beard conditioners are specifically formulated for its unique needs. They skip the greasiness with their gentle formulas, designed for facial hair. Think shea butter and vitamin E, ingredients that penetrate deep into those wiry strands, nourishing and moisturizing from the inside out. This potent duo not only keeps your beard soft and healthy, but also helps detangle and manage those wild hairs, making styling a breeze. So, say goodbye to unruly beard brain and hello to a mane that's easy to manage and envy-inducingly smooth. Notice select products. With shelves overflowing with options, where do you even begin? Fear not, bearded brethren, for this guide will equip you with the knowledge to select products that will make your beard the envy of all. What is your beard type? First things first, understanding your beard's type is crucial. Is it a parched desert in need of moisture, or an oil field requiring a gentle cleansing? Is it dry? Picture a wilting flower. Your dry beard craves hydration. Seek washes with gentle surfactants and nourishing ingredients like argan oil, jojoba oil, and shea butter. Conditioner should be lightweight, yet deeply moisturizing. Think aloe vera, glycerin. Steer clear of harsh chemicals and sulfates that can strip away natural oils, leaving your beard feeling like sandpaper. Is your beard oily? Oily beards need a touch of balance to combat excess sebum. Washes infused with tree oil or witch hazel can help control oil buildup without being too harsh. Opt for lightweight conditioners with lemon or rosemary essential oils to avoid weighing down your mane. Do you have sensitive skin? A gentle approach is key for sensitive skin. Look for fragrance-free, hypoallergenic beard wash and conditioner options with soothing ingredients like aloe vera and chamomile. Harsh chemicals, sulfates, and artificial fragrances are your beard's worst nightmare, so give them a wide berth. What does your beard need? Taming your beard is an art, and choosing the right tools is the first brush stroke. Forget one size fits all. Your beard whispers its unique needs, yearning for care that caters to its specific quirks. So, before you dive into the sea of beard products, take a moment to consider, does your beard harbor a blizzard of flakes, demanding dandruff management? Seek washes and conditioners infused with zinc, pyrithiol, or salicylic acid, warriors against the itchy white menace. Or perhaps your beard frizzes like a firework in a monsoon, begging for moisture. Look for hydrating heroes like hyaluronic acid or glycerin. Their molecules chaining themselves to each strand, locking in moisture and banishing flyaways. Does your beard's growth resemble a snail on vacation? Don't despair. Biotin and caffeine can be your secret weapons. These hair follicle whisperers may nudge them into action, encouraging thicker, faster growth. Remember, your beard is a living landscape, and the right products are the fertilizer that nourishes its potential. What to look for in your products? Forget the chemical cocktails masquerading as beard care products. Your facial mane, a delicate ecosystem of wiry strands, deserves better. Just like you wouldn't slather your skin with harsh concoctions, your beard needs a gentle touch, a symphony of natural ingredients that nourish and protect. Seek out products crafted with Mother Nature's bounty. Organic oils like jojoba or argan are your beard's best friends, offering deep hydration without weighing it down. Shea butter, a creamy wonder, locks in moisture and soothes irritation, while aloe vera's calming touch calms inflamed follicles. These natural heroes understand your beard's language, speaking in softness and nourishment, not harsh chemicals and artificial fragrances. Beware the imposters, sulfates, parabens, and artificial scents lurking in disguise. These harsh chemicals can strip your beard of its natural oils, leaving it dry, brittle, and prone to irritation. Instead, embrace the subtle, natural aromas of essential oils like rosemary or cedarwood. They not only smell divine, but also offer therapeutic properties, promoting healthy hair growth and calming the skin beneath. Finally, pay homage to the oil oracle. Not all are created equal. Coconut oil, while a hero for your hair, can clog the pores of your beard, leading to dreaded beard rough and breakouts. Choose wisely, seeking out lighter oils like jojoba or argan, which penetrate deeply without leaving a greasy residue. Your beard is an extension of your personality, a statement piece that deserves the best. So, ditch the chemical cocktails and embrace the natural symphony of organic ingredients. It's time to pamper your mane with products that speak its language, leaving you with a beard that's not just groomed, but truly thriving. So, gentlemen, don't let your beard be an afterthought. Embrace the power of beard care, a simple yet transformative practice that unlocks the hidden potential of your facial mane. With the right products and a little TLC, your beard will become more than just facial hair. It will be a statement piece, a symbol of your self-care, and a testament to the power of a well-groomed mane. Before you blindly grab the first beard wash on the shelf, take a moment to become your beard's confidant. Understand its needs, its quirks, its whispers for help. With this knowledge as your guide, you'll navigate the sea of beard products with ease, choosing the perfect companion to sculpt your beard into a masterpiece. Remember, grooming isn't just about aesthetics, it's about understanding and nurturing a part of you that deserves to be pampered. Now, go forth, beard whisperer, and unleash the magnificent potential within your facial mane.